So tonight on Garage Time, we're going to install stainless steel J-tubes on our 1500 Volkswagen Beetle. So here's a picture of our brand new stainless steel J-tubes. These ones we purchased off of Vintage Speed. If you've seen some of our other videos, you know we are definitely a fan of anything from Vintage Speed. I have to admit, the quality on these is quite nice, like the weld and everything. Always been happy with their products. They do cost a bit more than purchasing J-tubes from someone like MP, but I do find much better quality. These are the stainless steel option, and I am curious to see, like, typically the ones I've seen from MP and others don't actually have this bend in the pipe. Usually it's just a straight pipe. And secondly, they've actually have a reducer on the end here. So I have installed other styles where it keeps pulling out of your stock exhaust. They're not quite long enough. So I am guessing with this extension, these are going to be good. We'll go ahead and get those installed, and then we'll pan up and show you the difference. So installing J-tubes, it's pretty straightforward. It's underneath the car. We got to remove the heater boxes, put these in. Not really that exciting of a video, so I'm going to go show you our before with the heater boxes and then show you with the J-tubes. Now the reason we are installing the J-tubes is one, it's a convertible. We'll only be driving it in really nice, sunny, beautiful days. We'll never really take it out if the top even has to be up. And being an auto stick, passenger side and driver side access, it's just access is a little tight. Mostly the driver's side is your concern to all your adjustments for the auto stick. So while we're going through and getting this thing tuned in exactly, the heater box was in the way, so we're going to install these and make that a little bit better. So here's the before shot on the passenger side, just showing you the auto stick hoses that wrapped around it. Valve cover is going to be more accessible. Just a little bit easier to access the starter, your hoses. Okay, so now here is the driver's side. You can see our servo, our clutch adjustment, which is attached to the servo. And even our fuel line is over top. Now we're replacing that with a new steel line, but we'll have a lot more room once we remove this heater box. Now, I mentioned, ignore the dripping oil. We are filling our tranny right now. We just replaced our transmission fluid, so that's going in the background. But while that's going on, we're going to put on these J-tubes. So here is the before, and we will show you the after in a few minutes. So here's a shot of the passenger side after we've installed it. So I actually changed the orientation of our automatic hoses as well, giving us, again, just more clearance. This pipe, not like a heater box sheet metal, it will get much hotter because it is your straight exhaust in and out. And down here, I know I'm creating some shadows there in the light, but down here you can see that was roughly 2 inches long. A good inch is into the exhaust, so no way we're getting that much flex in this coming loose. The problem I mentioned I had with some other J-tubes. So yeah, these are nice. I'm already happy with how much more I can see and access. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and install that clamp, and these guys are done. Okay, so here's our shot of the driver's side. You can see lots of clearance around the valve cover, making adjusting valves, taking the valve cover off a lot easier. Our servo up there, again, lots of access and easy to adjust now. And the fuel line we mentioned, we got new steel line for that. We're ready to replace. Again, more clearance around the heater box. It will be easier to run that out of the way of everything. So yeah, we'll go ahead and do that in another video. Thanks. So as you can see, those J-tubes they installed very nice. They had the extension, they slid into the exhaust beautifully. Very happy with that upgrade. It's going to make adjusting all our auto stick parts quite easy. So yeah, we're excited. It's good. It's a nice move. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.